You know, while you may have made Dr. Steve cringe a little bit with going front to back to a textbook, I think he'd be very supportive of how sticky that you made the content, where you made it important to them, or you made it experiential for them.
That's a good point.
Thing that they can't do anything with, like these symbols on a page that, you know, that means nothing to them until you made it make sense to them or made it matter to them. So in our line of work, or in Iconics, we try to make things sticky, and that might be a good transition for Dr. Steve, because I think he has ready some Bill of Rights or something. We do the sticky stuff because anytime that we file all our experiences and our data, we file that in our head. And how we file it is like the 6+7 or the 7+7. You filed it with a 10+3+, you know, whatever you did. So you filed 7 and 7 in a quicker way. So we like to file things and make things stickier. So if you need to retrieve it, that 7+7 is the same as 6+7, because
the fast
filed
stuff
it in such a good
is
way.
the visual stuff.